I think compassion and generosity are good qualities because you never know what somebody's going through, and just being understanding and listening to their situation without judgment is a good quality to have. You don't want somebody judging you if you were in this situation or if you're going through something. So just being understanding and listening and open to whatever's going on with them. It's like this, it may be something small to you, but it's something huge to them, and I think it's just keeping that in the back of your mind, remembering like these little things are making big differences in people's lives.
I help people who are in need, and I give people some food because people just need help sometimes, and they need what we have.
What motivated me was that whenever I was younger, I really wanted to help out and just make the world a better place. On every vacation I've been on, there's just so many families that I see that need stuff, and I just feel like it's really sad whenever people just don't care about them and just drive right past them. There's always an opportunity that we could use to help someone.